Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are very fine. Today in this video, I'm going to explain you about simple determiners. It is a very important topic for your 7th standard. So let's begin this topic. First of all, this is in your mind. What is determiner? Determiner is a word placed in front of a noun. And what is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place or thing. So now it is clear, student. The words those placed in front of noun are called determiners. Now read the following sentences. The sentence number 1. There is a little milk in the glass. So a and the both are determiners because both are placed before noun glass and little milk. Milk before milk and glass. So both are determiners. That is enough milk for you. Once again, milk is uncountable noun and before that the word enough is placed. So this enough is a determiner. Now the next sentence. Seema is an intelligent girl. So an is a determiner. She loves the Gita. The is also determiner because it plays before noun Gita. The next sentence is this boy reads in 7th class. So this is a determiner because it came before boy. Boy is a noun. Their brothers are very helpful. So once again, there is a determiner because it plays before brothers and brothers are noun. So words are the, this and there are used in front of nouns. So all are called determiners. Once again, student, definition of determiner is a word placed in front of a noun to make it clear what a noun refer to. Now, the types of determiners. Student, determiners are of 4 types. Number 1, articles. Number 2, demonstrative. Number 3, possessive. And number 4 is quantifiers. So, now this is the tree of determiners. First determiner is articles. Articles are also of 2 types. Definite article the and indefinite articles are and n. Next is demonstrative determiners. Demonstrative determiners are this, that, these and those. Next is possessive. Possessive determiners are my, our, your, his, her, its and their. Next is quantifier determiners. Few, much, many, some, enough, little, etc. Now let's come in detail about these articles. First is definite and indefinite article. This is the first type of determiner is articles, and article is also divided into 2 parts. First is definite article the and second one are indefinite articles are and n. Now uses of are and n, how you will use them. First thing I want to tell you that we will use indefinite article are and n according to the sound of the first letter. फर्स्ट लेटर किसी भी वर्ड की जो फर्स्ट लेटर की साउंड होती है, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी विल यूज आर्टिकल आर एंड एन. इफ योर वर्ड first letter is consonant and the first sound is also consonant, then we will use article a. If the first letter of any word is consonant but the first sound of that word is vowel, then we will use article n, not a. Then if the word first letter is vowel but the sound is also vowel, then we will use article n. Next, if the word is vowel, first letter of the word is vowel but the first sound is consonant, Then according to the sound, we will use article a, not an. So now you understand that we will use article a and an according to their sounds, not according to the first alphabet, first letter. A and indefinite articles होते हैं, they refer to indefinite noun. I saw a book on the table. My mother gave me an apple. And he is an honest man. All are indefinite, and the sound is also an honest sound is vowel. So here we use article an apple, once again the vowel sound. So we use article an. A book, the sound is consonant sound. So we use article a. Before using a and, first identifying the sound of first letter. Always identifying the sound. Now uses of a article. How you will use? Before a singular common noun which starts with a consonant sound. For example, a man, a boy. This is a cow. Some exceptions are a 1 rupee note, a university, a European, a union. Next is use of an. How you will use article an? Before a singular countable noun which starts with a vowel. For example, an orange, an apple. This is an owl. Exceptions: an MLA, an IAS, an honest lady, an owlet. Now the definite article, and it is the. And definite article the refers to a definite noun. For example, the Ganga is a sacred river. The Pavan Hansa belongs to Indian Air Force. The Mountain View is a famous hotel. The Hindu is a newspaper. The Hindu is a newspaper. Mountain View, Pavan Hansa, Ganga, all are definite nouns. So we use definite article the, or definite article the plus consonant starting nouns pronounced as the plus vowel starting nouns pronounced as the. Some students are very confused, ma'am, what is the right pronunciation, the or the? If the word is starting with consonant sound, then the right pronunciation is the. If the word is having the vowel sound, then the right pronunciation is the. Now, in case of repetition of common noun, we also use definite article the. A cat caught a rat. Once, if the noun came, when the second time this noun repeated, at the time we will use article the. A cat caught a rat. Now, the second time cat and rat came, so we use article the. The cat killed the rat. In the same manner, there lived a farmer. The farmer, because second time the farmer came here, so the farmer had 4 sons. Before the names of unique things, religious books, rivers, for example, the earth revolves around the sun, the Ganga is a holy river, I love the Gita and the Quran. So here we use definite article the. Before the noun in charge of any institution, area or specific unit, we also use definite article the. For example, the principal, the district magistrate, the SHO. Before superlative degrees, we also use definite article the biggest, the tallest, the greatest, etc. Now, the second type of determiner, that is possessive determiners. What are possessive determiners? The words which are used before a noun to show their relation with the noun. The words that place before nouns are called determiners, but when they showed relation with that particular noun, then we call them possessive determiners. For example, this is my car. So here my came before car, so it is a determiner, but it also show relation with the car. So it is a possessive determiner. In the similar manner, your computer is a new. She gave me her pen. Please give me your car. And he is their son. So, my, your, her, your and their all are determiners, and those are possessive determiners. Next is demonstrative determiners. What are demonstrative determiners? The words which are used to point out or indicate a noun. It means when the words that place before noun, they indicate to noun, then those are called demonstrative. For example, this, that, these, those. This car is black, that apple is raw. So this and that both are demonstrative determiners. Next is these workers are very hardworking. These is demonstrative determiner. Those trees are very beautiful. Those is a demonstrative determiner. Now next is, and the last one is quantifiers determiners. Few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little, much, many, most, a lot of, some, any, enough, etc. It means the words that place before noun and tells about the quantity. Such type of determiners are called quantifiers. And cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers are also called quantifiers. Cardinals are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and ordinals are first, second, third, fourth. Now this is the exercise and I am going to discuss with you this exercise. Ashoka was the greatest king. Now you have to identify this the. Which type of determiner it is? It is a article and this is the definite article. So here definite article determiner is used. Is India not a peace loving? So is once again a determiner and that is a type of determiner article. Is the Bhakra Dam not the pride of the Punjab? The is once again the determiner and this is an article. There is little water in some glass. Little water. This is determiner but this is quantifier. Some glasses, some is also a quantifiers determiner. They are your neighbors. Your is a possessive determiner. You may buy enough sugar. Enough is a quantifier determiner. What is this cup? This is demonstrative determiner. Don't spit on that floor. This is also a demonstrative determiner. Now thank you so much student. I hope you understand all the simple determiners and their uses. If you understand this, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.